Are you the best variable speed wood lathes? Variable speed wood lathes are essential tools for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike, enabling precision in crafting items like bowls, pens, and furniture components. These machines allow users to adjust rotational speed, improving control and versatility for various projects. Product 1. Wen Mini Benchtop Wood Lathe. The Wen LA3421 is an affordable, compact wood lathe designed for small projects such as pens, chess pieces, and bowls. With an 8-inch swing over the bed and 13-inch distance between centers, it caters to hobbyists and beginners. Its 3.2-amp motor features a soft start to enhance safety and motor longevity, while the variable speed adjustment 750 to 3200 RPM allows for flexibility across projects. The included accessories such as the MT1 spindle and tailstock taper make it a practical entry-level option. During testing, the Wen LA3421 demonstrated consistent performance on smaller workpieces, but struggled with heavier materials due to its limited. Product 2. Wen LA3424 4.5 amp 12-inch by 18-inch 5-speed. The Wen LA3424 is a mid-range benchtop lathe designed for larger workpieces up to 18 inches long and 12 inches wide. It features a robust 4.5 amp motor and 5 preset speeds ranging from 520 to 3400 RPM. Offering versatility for various tasks. The MT2 tailstock and headstock tapers ensure compatibility with a wide range of accessories, while the onboard accessory holder adds convenience. This lathe excelled in handling medium-sized projects, delivering Product 3. Rikon Power Tools VSSR MIDI Lathe, RIC 70-150 VSR. The Rikon VSR MIDI Lathe is a high-performance machine designed for advanced users. Featuring a powerful 1 HP DC motor, it provides ample torque for demanding projects. The electronic variable speed control offers a wide range of operating speeds, complemented by a digital RPM readout for precise adjustments. Its pivoting belt cover simplifies belt changes, while the ball-bearing construction ensures smooth spindle operation. In testing, the Rikon VSR MIDI Lathe impressed with its ability to handle both small and large projects with ease. The digital RPM readout enhances precision, making it ideal for intricate. Product 4. Jet 10-inch by 15-inch Variable Speed Woodworking Lathe. The Jet JWL1015VS is a premium lathe designed for professional woodworkers. Its 1/2 HP motor and 3 variable speed ranges 200 to 1050, 300 to 1750, 600 to 3600 RPM provide unmatched flexibility. The integrated 24-position indexing and wider bedways enhance stability and precision. Additionally, the improved tensioning system allows easier access to belts, simplifying maintenance. This lathe delivered exceptional performance during testing, handling a variety of projects with precision and ease. Its Product 5. Wood Lathe. The Gaomon Wood Lathe is a budget-friendly option with a spacious 40-inch workbench and 0.5 HP motor. It offers 4 selectable speeds, 1040 to 2980 RPM, and a sturdy aluminum alloy base to minimize vibrations. The MT2 tailstock and headstock tapers provide compatibility with various accessories, while the included chisels and wrenches make it a comprehensive starter package. While affordable, the Gaomon lathe struggled with heavier projects during testing due to its limited power. Its vibration-free design is commendable, but the motor's performance is insufficient for demanding tasks. User reviews highlight its value for beginners, but note durability concerns and inconsistent speed control. This lathe